In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in Bubble.io, a robust platform for creating web applications without the need for extensive coding. Let's dive right in. To start off, make sure you're logged into your Bubble.io account and head to the home page where all your projects are listed. Look for the project you want to add a video to. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it to open up the project. When you're inside the project, look for the web app option. This is where you'll be working on the visual design aspect of your application. Once you click on Web App, you might encounter a pop-up or menu. Simply cancel it if it's not relevant to what you're doing. Now, let's get to where the magic happens. In your Design tab, locate the element or the area where you want to add the video. It is important that you know exactly where your video will be most effective and how it fits into the overall design. Click on the video element to add it to your page. You will see an option highlighted which indicates the video element is now added to your design workspace. Here, you'll have the flexibility to choose the type of video source. You can select platforms such as YouTube or Vimeo depending on where your video is hosted. If your video is hosted on YouTube, click on YouTube. Similarly, if it's on Vimeo, select Vimeo. Once you make your selection, you'll need to input the URL or the specific video ID corresponding to your chosen platform. Ensure you have this information ready before you complete this step. Once your video element is placed and the source is selected, you can further refine how it looks within your app. The customization process involves adjusting style settings such as appearance, border styles, and even the opacity. Click on Style to access these settings. Here, you can choose a standard style or customize it further by exploring the appearance settings, where you can tweak things like opacity and border styles. If you prefer a more tailored design, you can define individual borders independently, giving you full control over each side of the video element. Additionally, there are layout options available to adjust the positioning of your video, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the rest of your content. Finally, don't forget to save your progress and preview your application. This will allow you to see the video in action within the context of your app and ensure it looks and functions as expected. And that's it! You've now successfully integrated a video into your Bubble.io project. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you have any further questions or need additional tips, feel free to explore more of our guides. Happy bubble building!